Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here is 2013 Lexus RX350. I'm doing front brake job. I have no time to film it for you yet. I just want to show you something if you wanna do it yourself. So there are many options on the market of the replacement brake pads, and I just want to give you this warning here and show you detail of these springs. Let me grab the light. Now you can see it better, right? So if you look at it, they are like springs which nicely, that entire time when the brakes are working, slightly spread those pads from each other. So obviously that needs to be in the box when you are buying the replacement pads, right? Make sure it's there and you don't buy something what is cheaper and that will be missing. I made sure I'm not cutting corners on this repair, so I purchased OEM Toyota Lexus entire kit, right? Brake pads kit, and if you look inside with me, it contains those springs. So that's really important. Don't buy anything cheaper which will be missing these holes, right, for those springs, and the springs will be not included. And that's my little recommendation to you. So that was just a real quick Toyota tech or Lexus tech info, right? Sometimes I have no time to film the stuff because the customers coming, and filming these things takes a lot of extra time. So I hope you enjoy this little quick tip and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.